Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you play Gran Turismo 7. First, install the game on your PlayStation 5 console, either from a disc or your digital library. Make sure your system software is completely up to date for the best experience. Once installed, connect your controller and fine-tune the settings to your liking. Then, head straight to the world map, which is your central hub for all the exciting races and challenges awaiting you. It's a straightforward process to get started. Now, let's master the basics of driving. Familiarize yourself with the core controls for accelerating, braking, and steering. Understanding the optimal racing line is crucial. It helps you maintain speed through turns and on straightaways. Experiment with driving assists such as traction control and anti-lock braking system, or ABS, to discover what feels best for you. Completing the license tests is an excellent way to sharpen your abilities and unlock more challenging events as you progress. Customizing your vehicles is a huge part of the fun. Head to the tuning shop to buy performance parts, significantly boosting your car's power and handling. Don't forget to try out various tire compounds. They make a big difference depending on the track and weather. You can also fine-tune suspension, brake balance, and downforce to get that perfect feel. Plus, personalize your cars with unique liveries, wheels, and other visual upgrades to truly make them your own. Gran Turismo 7 offers a fantastic array of game modes. Dive into the cafe menu challenges to advance through the main story and unlock new cars. If you're feeling competitive, Sport Mode lets you race online against other players from around the globe. For those who love chasing records, time trial events are perfect for setting the fastest lap times. And for some local fun, grab a friend and enjoy two-player split-screen racing right on your console.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.